when Ice Age researchers rule out the Bible's history, when they run their simulations to model an ice age, not only do they find it difficult to explain how an ice age started, not surprisingly, there are other problems too.
When they reduce the parameter for the amount of sunshine hitting the Earth, some snow and ice build up, but end up covering areas that were never glaciated.
Whoops.
One paper in the Journal of Climate says, "We now have glaciation, but mainly outside the area where it existed during the last ice age." How's that work?
Well, yeah. Those areas are the lowlands of Siberia and Alaska and northwest Yukon Territory in Canada. They were never glaciated.
They can't explain this discrepancy, but a model that has warm oceans after the flood easily explains the lack of glaciation in the coastal lowlands. And that's where the woolly mammoths lived and ate a lot of plants.
Yeah, plants don't grow real well when they're buried under tons of snow.
And today, their carcasses are found there entombed in permafrost, along with other extinct species like a woolly rhinoceros discovered in 2020 in Siberia.
Yeah, another challenge for secular Ice Age models is the lack of vegetation in glacial till. Glacial till is the unsorted sediment left over by tons of ice moving over the land and scouring the landscape and pulverizing rocks.
If the continental glaciers had formed slowly over thousands of years, fossilized remnants of trees and other plant debris should be found mingled with the rock debris.
Yeah.
But there's very little.
Yeah, with the post-flood Ice Age model, the rarity of vegetation debris indicates that the Ice Age began immediately after the flood, when the snow and ice began to build up on the mostly barren ground, no trees.